Hello guys, it's Christoph with 3D Insider, and today we're doing a product review on the Osmo Pocket, which DJI just released today. You can pre-order it for $349 online on www.dji.com, which will be the first link. And if you guys are looking for new technologies and 3D printers and drones, go and check out 3dinsider.com also in the description. The Osmo Pocket features. The Pocket has a 4K 60 FPS camera on it. It's got a 12 megapixel and a 1.55 micrometer pixel size to it. It's got a 1 and 2.3 inch sensor, an 80-degree angle, an f2.0 aperture, and a max ISO 3200 and 140 minutes of battery life. It's got a great battery life. It's got a great camera. It's got 1-inch screen on it, which is touchscreen, and so you can see what you're doing. And it's water resistant, it's waterproof with the case, and it has 2 microphones. It's great for vloggers, and it has an app for it which you can download on your phone so you can see what you're recording, and you can edit what you're recording also. It's $50 less than the Hero 7. It's got better audio than the Hero 7 because the Hero 7 is waterproof, so they had to sacrifice their audio, which the DJI did not sacrifice their audio. They got 2 microphones, so it picks up audio great. It's got a night shot, and it shoots well in low light conditions. What's included with the Osmo Pocket? Right here, we got the box. And inside the box, we get all these things right in here. We got the case for the Osmo, so you don't drop it. And it's really good for your pocket, just putting it in your pocket, quick, fast, and easy. You can fit your other things. Here you got the Pocket. It's got a 4K camera right in the front. It's got a microphone right here. It's got a microphone underneath, on the back, underneath. And it's water resistant. And it also has a 1-inch screen display. So it's touchscreen, so you can see what you're recording on here. It's made with a really good plastic, a high quality plastic. It's really lightweight, fast, quick, and easy to get around with. And it gets you your really nice quality footage for 60 FPS with 4K. Here we got the cable to charge your Osmo, and then we got the smartphone adapter USB-C. We got one of those, and then we got a smartphone adapter Lightning right here, and then we got a wristband so you can wrap it around your arm so you don't drop it, and then you got some instructions right here about the Osmo. And that's everything that you get included with your Osmo. So now we're going to show how to work the Pocket. You have to click this right button down here to turn it on, hold it, and it'll shake the mount or the camera, and it'll show the DJI logo, and then you can see what you're recording right here. But we're going to be using the MIMO app, M-I-M-O. So if you pull this out to the side, you can plug in this Lightning adapter into here. It sticks nice and well, so your phone will not fall out. It's kind of snug, but you just got to push it in. And you plug in your phone. It charges your phone while you're using it, which is super nice. Plug in your password. You download the MIMO app right here, DJI MIMO right here. It's connecting, and there you go. You make an account. You register up, and then you can go to video. You can switch into 1080p or 4K up here, and 60 frames per second, your quality, and you can move this around. You can move the camera around with this joystick right here. You can see any videos or any photos that you've done, and you can like things that you like over here. Oops, we got 10%. And then you can see fast or slow motion on how fast somebody's moving. Or if someone's slow, it'll move slow. The camera will. And there is the tilt-to-lock mode. There's a PV mode and a follow mode, so it'll follow you. Right here, you have those qualities. There's the video formats, the anti-flicker, the grid, all that, all the editing, some information that you might need, or just some stuff through there you can go mess around with. Here you can switch it to photo or video, and it'll save it down to here. And oops, if you get that, oh yeah, let me show this. If you load it up and you're up to here and you want to see what's going on, you want to just click this, just bring you right to the camera. And then you can click this button up here around, and you can see what we're recording. You can see my brother, and it's auto-focusing right to me, so if I move or something, oh wait, yeah, there it goes, it moves with us. And there's this, so recenter, so recenter into the middle. Actually, hold up, let me flip it around, and then it'll center right into the middle of the screen. And yeah, you can see that it's got a lot of modes. You can switch it to 4K, like I was saying, 60 FPS, it's super fast. Oh, and one other thing, that green box, if you want to, for instance, let's flip this around. Say, for instance, it's a little bit messy in here, but we've been recording for all day. So over here to my right, there's a chess game, and I can drag like this onto the screen, and it will focus on this zone. So if I move the camera even sideways or something, up, down, anything like this, I can see that chess game, and it will focus, and it'll keep stabilized and stuff. And you can do that with people, and then if you want to remove it, you can just click exit, and it'll stop focusing on that stuff, and you can just move it to wherever you want. So yeah, that's basically all the modes. We can recenter it if you want, flip it around again. There we go, and then we can see what we've done. And it's really nice. It's super easy, super friendly, user friendly, and basically anybody could use this. I mean, it doesn't take somebody really smart to use it. I mean, you just gotta know how to set up an account with DJI, and then there you are. You can start making your videos, like anything like skiing or anything fun like that. We think this product will be extremely useful, and what it shoots for, it shoots with great quality. It's water resistant, a water case for it, so it's waterproof. It's got amazing, so it's very stable, and it's very safe, small. It fits in your pocket, fit your phone in your pocket also. It's amazing, honestly, for its price, for $349. You guys should pre-order it down in the description. Also, once you guys are down there, you guys should subscribe. If you guys have any more questions or anything that you guys want us to do, just leave a comment and we will respond, and we'll try to get to that. If you guys want to see like editing with this, we can definitely do that, and we'll definitely be showing some product, or we'll show this product being used with snowboarding or like skiing, which will be really cool to see this in action. And don't forget to leave a like, and that's it. Thanks.